Oatmeal cookies are one of my favorite things to bake. Today, I'll show you an easy way to make chewy oatmeal cookies that are both nutritious and delicious. Start by mashing 2 ripe bananas until smooth. Then, add a spoon of peanut butter and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. After that, add 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of chopped walnuts, and half a cup of chocolate. Stir everything together until it forms a dough. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Use a spoon to drop equal portions of dough onto the lined tray. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. Let the cookies cool on the tray for 5 minutes before moving them to a cooling rack. These cookies have a chewy texture and a naturally sweet taste in every bite. Store them in the fridge for up to 5 days or freeze them for up to 3 months. Just thaw and enjoy anytime you like. Enjoy them as a snack, dessert, or even a healthy breakfast.